Great. Page 217 and 218 is classifying triangles. We have acute triangles, obtuse triangles, right triangles, scalene, and on the other page, equilateral triangles. Now, classify the three triangles below on page 218, A, B, and C, into these 6 categories, remembering that you can have one triangle in several classifications. Okay, and we'll go on to the next page. Page 219 are similar triangles. Now, similar triangles have corresponding angles and are considered congruent, which has the same angle degrees. That's part of our definition here. If you look at the two triangles, they're similar. A and D have the same measurement, the degree measurement as an angle, B and E, and C and F. So, true or false, go ahead and answer these questions based on the two little triangles below. Page 220, similar triangles. Similar triangles not only have same corresponding angles, but they have a special relationship with the sides of the triangles. And in italics, we say here, similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. So in the example where we have 3 and 6 as the base of the two triangles, and we have an unknown side, and these things are similar, they are also proportional. So if you look at the ratio, 3, 6 must equal, proportionally, 4 and that unknown side, that question mark. 3 6 is 1/2, 4 8 is 1/2. This is how they work together. Cross multiplication, 23 times 8, 24, 4 times 6, 24. So we're going to go on to page 221 right away, and we're going to go ahead and use that cross multiplication to find the unknown sides in the problems on 221. The answers are in the back of the book. Page 222 and page 223 refer back to page and the example on page 221. So we've got corresponding sides and corresponding angles of similar triangles, and we're going to solve for the unknown sides. And that's both pages. The ratio problems on page 223 are word problems that I've set up for you for the first 2 sets of triangles, and the third one you want to draw your own triangle and figure out its unknown side. Good luck. All the answers are in the back of the book.